Hello friends, how are you? Are you also coming to Dubai Security Guard Shop? Well, today in this video, I am going to tell you some best security company's name which can help you, because in Dubai there are so many security guard companies and all security guard companies are not good. Only some few companies are good. And if you come in Kachra security guard companies, you will only regret. So today I make for you this video, because if you come in good security guard company, you get good facilities, good locations, good salary, and also you think, yeah, I have come in good security guard companies. That is also pride, yes, of coming or joining in good security guard companies. Okay, not to delay now, let's enter in the point, means topic. That there are so many security guard companies. Among the first security company is, means best security guard companies is, which is still in first rank, is Arkan Security Services. Yes, it is very good security guard company, where if you come, in which company if you join, you will get good salary. Yes, you will get more than 2,200 salary, which is very good. And it is big security guard company, and many security guards are enjoying in this company, getting the good locations, salary and locations and facilities also. Now second, Transguard. It is also biggest security guard company in Dubai. There are so many camps in Dubai and security guards also, and their salary is also very good. If you come in security guard, in Transguard security guard company, you will not regret. Okay, similarly, we want security services. This is also biggest security guard company in Dubai. There are so many security guard are working in this company, and they are all very happy getting the good salary. Yes, means now which company's name are I am going to tell you. If you join this company, you will get more than 2,260, or at least this salary, and you will get compulsory 2 days off or 4 days off. Same like G4S Secure Solutions means G4S Security Services. Their name is in this way, G4S Secure Solutions. Yeah, this is also biggest security guard companies in Dubai. There are so many security guards you can see in this company, and their salary is also good. And similarly, Concordia. It is also biggest security guard companies, and I have seen these companies' sites are also very good, and salary is also good. And all are happy, glad. And if you come in this top 10 companies plus 2 bonus companies also, I will tell you. And please come in this company, select this company, and also tell your friends to come in this company, or your relatives. Similarly, Star Security Services. This company is also good. There are also so many security guards, and it is also biggest security guard companies in Dubai. And I have seen these securities also in many locations. But sometimes, why I don't know, sometimes after 2 years, some security guards used to change from this company, Star Security Services. And it means among these top 10 security guard companies, in some companies, if you renew your visa they you have to give, means you have to pay 4,000 dirham to update or renew your visa in same company. That's why some are migrate or change one company to another security guard company. Same way, United Security Group, like TransGuard Group, they are written security services, not group. That this company is also good. Their salary are also more than at least 2,260, and there also you can see many security guards in this company, and all are happy. But these companies are not so biggest like before, which I told you company's name. Same like Skill Force Security. My one friend also just joined in this company, Skill Force Security Services, and he is very happy. And when I told him what is your salary, and he told me, no, I am getting now 2,260 or more than it also, and off also, and all locations are very good, and my locations are not changed. In this way, I can say that this company is also good. Means Skill Force Security Guard company. You can choose this security guard companies also. Same way, Al Jawar Security Services. Al Jawar Security Services is also biggest security company in Dubai, and in many fields, in many locations, you can see this security also. First time I met one security guard of these companies in Emirates Mall, the Emirates Mall, yes, near to Dubai Police Academy, Emirates Mall. And I knew that this company's salary is also very good. So you can come in this company also, Al Jawar Security Services. Now plus 2 bonus security guard companies. Now 10 security guard companies finish, name finish. Again, my request, please, if you are first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel and like this video if this video is really helpful for you. Again, I am going to repeat this company's name: Arkan Security Services, TransGuard Security Group, We1 Security Services, G4S Secure Solutions, Spark Security Services, Concordia Security Services, Star Security Services, United Security Group, Skill Force Security Services, Al Jawar Security Services. Now bonus, time is bonus, extra 1 dozen I want to reach, tell you. Same company's name, Hemaya Security Services. It is also good security guard company, biggest security guard company in Dubai. And their salary are not so exactly 2,260, but nearly. And it is also good security guard company. Same with First Security Group. This is also biggest security company in Dubai. I have seen these camps in Al Quds too. I think First Security Guard company's camp is very good, very big, like Farnec Security Services. But now Farnec is not giving good salary of new security guards, so I cannot join in these companies up to top 20 also. Okay, this video is only this much. Again, my request, please subscribe my channel and try to come in this company only. Otherwise you regret getting less salary, not getting off, not getting too much facilities, whatever security guard need to get, and not getting good camp. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.